Understanding gutter guards, an easy guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases, gutter guards. This might be a new term for many of you, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's dive in. Gutter guards are a type of protective covering placed over gutters on houses. Gutters are channels that collect rainwater from the roof and direct it away from the building to prevent damage. Gutter guards help to keep leaves, debris, and animals out of the gutters. This makes gutters easier to maintain and more effective at draining water. Gutter guards are important because they protect your house from water damage. Without them, gutters can get clogged with leaves and debris, which can lead to water overflow. This overflow can cause damage to the walls, roof, and foundation of a house. Therefore, gutter guards play a crucial role in home maintenance. There are several types of gutter guards, including mesh guards, foam guards, and brush guards. Each type has its own advantages and is suitable for different situations. For example, mesh guards are good at keeping out small debris, while foam guards fit directly into the gutter, providing a simple solution. Installing gutter guards can be a DIY project or done by professionals. It involves measuring the gutters, choosing the right type of guard, and then fitting them securely over the gutters. Safety is important during installation, especially when working at heights. I hope this video has helped you understand what gutter guards are and why they're important. Remember, they're not just a part of the house, but a tool to protect your home from water damage. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.